Hello students, today we will do the topic shortest distance between two skew lines. So first of all, what is the meaning of skew lines? The lines which are neither parallel nor intersecting are called skew lines. But is it possible to draw these types of lines in one plane? These types of lines cannot be drawn in one plane. It is possible only if different planes. Suppose that there is one line on this board, or you can say that in this plane, and second line is on the floor. So that case can be possible. Otherwise, in one plane, we cannot draw two lines which are neither parallel nor intersecting. So we have to find the distance between these two skew lines. Now let us consider two lines. R is equal to A1 plus lambda B1 and R is equal to A2 plus mu B2, B2 skew lines. And let us take this is the first line and this is the second line, and we have to find the shortest distance between two. Shortest means the perpendicular distance. So let us take M and N. If Mn is a line which is perpendicular to both L1 and L2, and we have to find the length of Mn. There is one point whose position vector is A1 on first line. Let us take this is A1. Similarly, on second line it is A2 whose position vector is A2. Now we have to find the projection of the vector A1 A2 on the vector Mn. Projection of A1 A2 vector on Mn. And this is equal to A1 A2 dot Mn vector divided by magnitude of Mn. This is the formula for the projection. Now what is A1 A2? It is A2 minus A1 dot Mn. Now there is a vector B1 on the first, which is parallel to first line B1, and another vector B2 which is parallel to the second line. Now the perpendicular direction will always be given by the cross product of two vectors over its magnitude, B1 cross B2 magnitude. So this is the formula for the distance between two skew lines, and let us take mod also because distance cannot be negative. So this is the formula for shortest distance between two, and you can say that non-parallel lines. Skew lines means non-parallel. This is very important, non-parallel. Suppose that if the lines are parallel, then there will be little change in the formula. If the lines are parallel, let us consider first line is R is equal to A1 plus lambda B vector, and R vector is equal to A2 plus mu times B vector. Then this B vector will be same for those lines. Clear? Then the distance between these two is, it is equal to A2 minus A1 cross B vector divided by magnitude of B vector. Or you can say that you can write it as B cross A2 minus A1. B cross A2 minus A1 and its mod, positive value. So this is the formula for non-parallel lines, and this is the formula for the parallel lines. In the question, you can easily see that if the value of the vector B is same, then we will apply this formula. If B vectors are different, then apply this formula. Now let us consider question number 14 of exercise 11.2. We have to find the shortest distance between two lines. So first of all, compare these two lines with R is equal to A1 plus lambda B1 and R vector is equal to A2 plus mu times B2. So by comparing, therefore, what is the value of A1 vector? This is A1. I plus 2j plus k. And what is B1? It is I minus j plus k. Similarly, what is A2 vector? It is 2i minus j minus k, and B2 vector is 2i plus j plus 2k. Now apply the formula. For the formula, first of all find A a2 vector minus a1 vector. Subtract these two. So this is I cap and minus 3j and minus 2k. So this is a2 minus a1. Next find b1 cross b2. Cross product of two vectors. Determinant method. ijk is the first row. In the second row, coefficients of b1 are 1, minus 1, 1. And coefficients of b2 are 2, 1, 2. Now expanded. So there is minus 2, minus 1. Minus j cap 2 minus 2 plus k cap 1 plus 2. So the value of b1 cross b2 is minus 3 I cap plus 0j plus 3k cap. Then find the magnitude of b1 cross b2. b1 cross b2 magnitude is equal to 9 plus 0 plus 9 under root. That is, this is equal to 3 under root 2. So we have find all the values. Now apply the formula. And formula for the shortest distance is, because in this case b1 and b2 are different things, so we will apply the formula for shortest distance is equal to a2 minus a1 cross dot b1 cross b2 divided by magnitude of b1 cross b2 and its mod. So put the values a2 minus a1, I minus 3j minus 2k dot b1 cross b2. It is minus 3i plus 0j plus 3k and divided by the magnitude of b1 cross b2, that is 3 under root 2 and whole mod. So now take the dot product of two vectors. And this is equal to minus 3 plus 0 minus 6 mod divided by 3 root 2. And it is 9 by 3 under root 2. And we can rationalize also. So its answer is 3 under root 2 by 2 units, which is the shortest distance between these two lines. Now let us consider question number 15 of exercise 11.2 NCERT. If the equation of lines are in the Cartesian form and we have to find the shortest distance between these two lines, then first of all convert these lines into the vector form. In the first line, point on the line is minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. And the direction numbers are 7, minus 6, 1. Similarly, point on the second line is 3, 5 and 7. And the direction numbers are 1, minus 2, 2. So therefore, A1 vector is a position vector of the point, and that is minus I, minus j, minus k. B1 vector is the vector parallel to the line, that is 7i minus 6j plus k. Similarly, A2 vector is 3i plus 5j plus 7k. And B2 vector is I cap minus 2j plus 2k. So after this, we can easily find the values of A2 minus A1, B1 cross B2 as in the previous question, and also the magnitude of B1 cross B2. And after putting all these values in the formula, you can find the shortest distance. Now let us consider example number 12 of NCERT, 476 page. We have to find the distance between these two lines. And now you can easily see that value of B vector is same for both lines. So we will apply the formula for shorter distance is equal to B cross A2 minus A1 divided by magnitude of B vector. So for this, first of all compare these two lines. So after comparing, value of A1 vector is I plus 2j minus 4k, and A2 vector is from the second line 3i plus 3j minus 5k. and this is the vector b for both the lines, and vector b is 2i plus 3j plus 6k. So after this, find first of all a2 minus a1, and this is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2 I cap, then plus j cap minus k cap. This is a2 minus a. Then find b cross a2 minus a1 according to this formula. Cross product of two vectors ijk, and the coefficient of vector b are 2, 3, 6, and coefficients of a2 minus a1 are 2, 1, minus 1. So expand it, I cap minus 3 minus 6 minus j cap into minus 2 minus 12 plus k cap with 2 minus 6, and this is equal to minus 9 I cap plus 14 j cap and minus 4 k cap, which is the value of b cross a2 minus a1. And now find the magnitude of vector b. Now magnitude of vector b, and vector b is 2 I cap plus 3j plus 6k, so its magnitude is 4 plus 9 plus 36 under root, and which is equal to 7. Therefore shortest distance is equal to b cross a2 minus a1 divided by magnitude of b and whole mod. And now put the values. This value is minus 9 I cap, 14 j cap and minus 4 k cap, divided by magnitude is 7, which is already positive, so we will take mod in the numerator only. Now the magnitude of this vector is 81 plus 196 plus 16 under root divided by 7, and this is equal to 293 under root divided by 7, which is the required shortest distance between these two lines. Now consider question number 17 of NCERT's 11.2 exercise. We have to find the shortest distance between these two lines. So first of all, convert this form into the proper form. For that, I cap, open the brackets, minus 2j plus 3k. We have written the terms which do not contain t. Now the terms containing t, take t common. It is minus I cap minus plus j cap and minus 2k cap. So which is a proper form, that is a vector plus lambda times b vector. In this case, lambda is replaced by t. Similarly, in the second line, the terms without s are I cap minus j minus k cap plus, take s common, I cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap. So which is in the proper form, a vector plus mu times b vector. So by comparing these two lines with the proper form, therefore a1 vector is I minus 2j plus 3k, and b1 vector is minus I plus j minus 2k, and similarly a2 vector is I minus j minus k, and b2 vector is I cap plus 2j minus 2k. So after this, you can easily apply the formula a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2 divided by b1 cross b2 magnitude and find the shortest distance.